Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah wa barakatuh. As you all know me, I'm Sayyida Sadiya Haruna. This is my lovely friend. Her name is Emanuela, but people call her Ella. But me Sayyida, I call her my kawa. She's my one and only friend. Yes, let me say it loud. She's my one and only friend. So, sweetheart, what can you say to my friend?
My friend's my friend's friend. Should I say that?
Yeah.
Is that fine by you?
Yeah, it's okay.
Is that okay by you guys? Okay. I want to say thank you for supporting my friend, for your love. My friend have been gisting me about you guys that she has so many friends on social media that they support her, and I'm so happy about that. So I want to say thank you.
Is that all you can say?
What else?
Okay, fine. So, we are going to entertain you small, me and my kawa. So, I'm going to ask my kawa like 5 questions, and she must be sincere with us, with we. So, can I start?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Who is going to start? Me or you?
Start.
I should start.
Mm-hmm.
Am I going to ask you the 5 questions at the same time before you ask me, or I ask you when you ask me one? Which one? How are we going to do it?
No, you ask me yours when you finish, then I'll ask you mine.
Okay, fine. Ella,
Yeah?
do you have a boyfriend?
Yeah, I do.
Can we know his name?
Why? Why?
Yeah, you say you do have a boyfriend, so we have to know his name.
Okay. Well, that one is kind of... His name is what? What's the name?
Talk now.
Okay, guys. His name is Asino.
Ella, do you love Asino?
Yeah, I love him since I said he's my boyfriend. I still mention his name. Yeah, I love him.
Okay. What if Asino say he's going to marry you?
How? I'll be the most happiest person on earth.
Okay.
What? Are you kind of jealous or what?
No, I'm not jealous. It's like...
Are you sure?
Okay, fine.
Okay.
Let's assume you have get married to Asino. How long will you take in for him? 1 week, 2 months, 1 year, 2 years? Or...
Well, that's, I would say, maybe me and my lovely husband, that's Asino, plan when we kind of taking. Yeah, it depends on when we plan it.
Okay.
And the way God plan it too.
Oh, so you have not decided?
Yeah, not yet.
Okay, fine. Okay, let's assume you are working.
Mm-hmm.
If Asino beg you for money, will you give it to him?
Why not? Yeah.
See, love, oh. Me, I will not give my money to any man, oh. I'm not doing that.
That means you don't love him.
I love him.
If you love him, you will give him.
Lie. I'm done with my question.
And supporting.
I'm done with my question.
Alright then. My own is gonna be hot cake, I guess. Are you ready for my question?
Don't disgrace me, oh.
No, I'm not gonna disgrace you. Are you in a serious relationship?
Say it again.
Are you in a serious relationship? Yes or no?
I said I'm going to be honest with you.
Yeah.
I'm not in serious relationship, but I am in relationship.
Then with who?
With a man.
His name?
No. He's a private son.
No, it can never be private because you asked me to say mine and I said it, so it's never gonna be private. So you better say it.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
You want me to mention his name?
Yes.
Hey. Hello viewers.
Mm-hmm.
Are you ready?
They are ready.
Oh.
I guess you guys are ready.
Baby, I know you are watching this video. His name is Baby.
No. I call Asino baby too. I call him baby, so.
Oh my God.
You can't tell me.
Okay, fine.
Yeah. So.
His name is Suleiman.
Like, wow. Okay.
Yeah.
Which states?
Which state?
Kilode. It's part of my question.
I say you should not disgrace me in this place.
And
you are
disgracing you. Am I disgracing her? Please help me out. So, am I? No, I don't think so.
This girl is going to kill me.
No, I'm not gonna kill you. You're my friend, my kawa. I'm gonna kill my kawa.
Okay, fine. He's from Bauchi State.
Wow, Bauchi.
Yeah.
And my mother-in-law is from Bauchi.
Are you serious?
It's like
I love Bauchi people because of their masa. Yeah, I love you guys because of their masa. I can't wait to come to Bauchi again to chop on a masa.
So how many questions did I ask you now?
I think 3 questions.
Okay, then I have the chance to ask you 2 more questions. As in, do you like Suleiman to marry you?
You are asking me the same question that I asked you.
Okay.
You are copying me.
No, I'm not copying. Okay, you want me to ask you my own question? As in, you will not complain.
Why will I complain?
Okay. What's your tribe? I don't even know your tribe. You're my friend.
I'm Nigeria.
No. That doesn't answer my question. What is your tribe?
I'm Margi by tribe.
Wow.
Yeah, from Maiduguri. Proudly Margi girl.
Kifi girl.
Yeah, Kifi. Margi special.
See fish. Come and eat fish, yo. See, okay, I will roast it for you. Come and eat roasted fish. Okay. So, let me look. What did I ask you? As in, do you want a simple question or a hard one?
Anyone, I'm ready to answer any question you come with. As far as I've already called the person name I love. So what's the big deal here? I beg. Ask me.
Seriously?
I'm about to sleep. I want to sleep.
Has he kissed you before?
Who?
Suleiman?
Hey! Someone should come and rescue me. See question.
Yeah.
Baby, answer this question for her. Have you ever kissed me?
He's not here. He's
No.
not here. So you answer this question by yourself. Okay. We are all ears. I guess you guys want to hear the answer to this question. So, up to you.
Masalan abun ba na ƙarya.
To, sai ki faɗa gaskiya.
To, wani gaskiya ai goma a yi shiru kawai.
Ba a yi shiru wallahi an fara sai an gama.
Please, sweetheart, can you change this question for me?
No.
I don't want to lie.
Kun yarda change your question?
Yeah.
Kun yarda?
Please.
Wani ya ce bai yarda. Wallahi ka ce baka yarda ba ko? To shi kenan.
Please.
Ke ma kice baki yarda ba? Oh, suna da yawa. Har da ke ma? To shi kenan.
Please.
Dole ki an.
Please.
Dan kai? Akai kwaya ɗaya bai isa ba.
My